Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolving the issue where the .NET framework is stuck on downloading required files. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing the frustration of the .NET framework download getting stuck on the required file stage, we have a couple of solutions to get you back on track. First, we will run a system file checker to ensure your Windows files are not corrupted, which can often cause download issues. To do this, open your Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type sfc/scanow and press Enter. Allow the scan to complete. Once the scan finishes, try downloading the .NET framework again. If running the system file checker does not resolve the problem, it is highly probable that a third-party software is interfering with the download process. In such cases, performing a clean boot will help us identify and isolate the conflicting application. To perform a clean boot, search for System Configuration in your Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab. Here, check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. After hiding all Microsoft services, you will see a list of non-Microsoft services. If any of these services are currently checked, click on Disable All. Then, click Apply and OK. You will be prompted to restart your computer. After your computer restarts, attempt to download the .NET framework again. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.